First time driving the M5.
Ready, Tabby? Ready, Tabby? Ready, Tabby? Go get it. Good girl. Ready? Get it. Yeah, Tabby girl. I don't know what is going on with this fog right now, but it's like perfect setting for a horror movie.
Or shipwreck.
Or shipwreck, for sure. A shipwreck horror movie. Like the sun is high. It's making all this fog super bright. Like I'm super squinting right now. You can't see hardly anything past the point. If I go missing, y'all know where to find me. What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Posted, back in this thing. Today is a great day. I'm on my way to go pick up my car finally after getting the rod bearings done. Been without her for what seems like way too long now, about a week and a half. So I am more than elated. I'm ready to get back on the road, shift them gears. So I'll see y'all when we get there. We're finally pulling up to the house now, and look at the view. Two beautiful babies, and as you can tell, mine is on the right. All right, you said that's number 8 top?
Yeah. That, I mean, that was, you can just feel it with your hand.
Oh my God, yeah, that's bad.
Yeah. That and number 3 top was the next in line for the worst.
Look at these engine mounts. They are destroyed.
Yeah.
This one's just falling apart. Like, wow. Good timing on changing those.
Yeah.
Well, if you guys see this M3, it's a little bit different than mine. This one has the 595 ESS supercharger kit. Pretty much looks like mine, but it's gonna drive totally different. We're gonna go for a little spin and see what it's looking like. Thing that is nice about DCT is those automatic changes when you're tired of shifting.
Oh, it's so fast.
It really is. Does he have a transmission flash? Do you know?
Well, with ESS they updated.
Oh, they do?
Well, first he said he had a dynon. He had a dynon DCT tune, and then ESS they like forced the ESS DCT whatever their flash is over it.
Oh wow. Okay.
So I don't know if it's better or worse. Honestly, dynon's usually safer. It's not like max performance, but it's safe.
Right.
Because they still
Drivability
warranty
wise.
your shit.
Right. Right. Oh yeah. You can feel that torque.
Yeah.
That thing is nice.
It picks up the low end a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't. You couldn't tell, but the whole time it was just traction control.
Ooh, yeah. God dang. That thing picks up.
Yeah.
That thing picks up.
It had the traction on and still felt like the ass end was just dancing.
Absolutely. It felt like the front was just grabbing while the ass was like, help.
Yeah, this would be fun.
Oh, yeah. Golly. Well, That's what I won't be doing on the way home.
Unfortunately. Yeah, here's a taste of M3, but go back to driving at Civic.
Yeah, exactly. Granny shifting. I'm gonna have to definitely get that gas flowing so that like next week for Woodward I'll be able to do a little something.
Exactly.
I like how quick he gets up there.
Yeah.
So how bad does this guy hate his tires? We could probably run through them lights right now.
Oh, I'm sure.
That was awesome though.
Yeah.
It's like a good feel.
Nothing like doing 10 in a speed limit 40 or whatever.
Right. Oh, nothing like it. I'm finally back in my own whip. It feels amazing to have my baby back. Good health. Gotta take it kind of easy for a while so everything can settle in. The mechanic recommended about a cycle of gas, 200 miles or so, keep it easy before I start doing anything extensive with it. So we'll take his word for it and keep it easy for a while. But man, it feels nice to be back in the coupe with the 6-speed. I just feel at peace now. I feel like a weight has been lifted off me. You know, as they say, minor setbacks are a stage for bigger comebacks, and that's how I feel right now. It took a while to get her done, get everything in place, you know, but now that it's done, she's coming back stronger than ever, and I can enjoy having fun with her without worrying about my bearings being bad. Now I have somewhat of a peace of mind. I do wish I could get to ripping at it right away. Take it easy for a few days, stretch your legs, drive her around town real easy, put some miles on it, make sure everything is smooth, and then we should be ready for Woodward Dream Cruise next week. It's a very notorious car weekend where people from all around the country bring all their whips out and show them off, run them down the street, and link up with everybody. We should be getting some people together for Woodward Dream Cruise, which will be really nice to see everybody again, see all the cars again, do some driving around all the car enthusiasts, and have my baby back in good health. I just missed the sound of this engine, the hum. There's nothing like shifting gears. Unfortunately, I can't put it in M mode right now as we get on the highway, but in due time. Definitely got to count blessings on this one. It could have been a lot worse. It could have been my whole motor been bad. It could have been my crank gone bad. There's a lot of things that could have been a lot worse than they are now. Or could have been a lot worse as they were. But now, we are good to go. So I just got done my first drive after getting the bearings and everything changed. I didn't video all the drive just because I wanted to listen to the car, make sure everything was running smooth. And she definitely is. Everything sounds butter smooth. It's actually shifting better than it was too. No weird sounds, nothing like that. So we are good to go. I'm just so glad to finally be back in the baby, you know. I'm gonna take it easy, like I said, for a little bit and then get right back into the action. Thank you guys for rocking with me and staying patient through this whole process. I know it was a little long, but you know what? Good things take time, right? So here we are, we're back at it. We're gonna continue everything per normal. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you drop that thumb and click that red subscribe button. All right, y'all take it easy. Peace.